We don't worry about tomorrow. We just do what we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Good afternoon, guys. Yung last vlog ko is nung gumawa kami ng video ng intro at saka outro. Kailan ba yun? Basta yun ata yung last vlog ko kasi nga ayoko na magtambak ng vlog para maging updated na tayo. And today is Tuesday, January 21. Mayroon kayong mga errands na gagawin sa Mount kasi next week pasukan na. So first agenda, we're going to the school to get uniform, right?
Nah, we're going to the stationery first.
Station? What's that?
TJ's books.
Books muna. So then after kuha kami ng uniform. What happened to your uniform, sa? Yeah, ang bilis. As in, ang iksi na ng yung sa sleeves. Dito maiksi na, dito sa may ano nila maiksi na. So grabe yung pag-grow ng mga bata. So kuha kami ng uniform, and si Holly bago yung uniform niya, di ba dati parang naka-skirt siya, ngayon dress na yung kanyang uniform. So kuha kami, and si Kuya din kuha din ng uniform kasi nga nagsilakihan na sila. Ano pa ba? And what else, Holly? What else? Punta kami ng ng bagong school. Well, ida-drive lang ako ni Jack para alam ko kung saan yun. Kasi si Holly this year, mag-change na siya ng dancing class. No, dancing school. Kasi gusto niyang gawin yung aerial silk. Gusto niya yun, iwala nun sa hype. So, punta kami sa ibang school na merong aerial silk. Tapos, doon na siya, pati yung jazz niya, ballet, doon na lahat. So, pupunta kami doon. Ida-drive ako ni Jam para alam ko kung saan. Pero, malapit lang naman daw, sabi ni Jam kung saan si Holly. Nasa other side lang. So, yun ang gagawin namin. Right, Papa?
Yeah.
Nagpaalam siya sa daddy niya. Kasi itong school, mas mahal to. Mas mahal to. Basta mas mahal siya compare dito sa mahal na tong dati ni Holling school. Tapos eto mas mahal. Kaya nagpaalam siya sa daddy niya, "Daddy, pwede ba akong lumipat?" Sabi niya, "Sure, sugar." Sugar kasi ang tawag niya kay Holly. Well, maraming tawag siya dyan kay Holly. What else daddy called you, Baba? Shugi? Sugar? Sweetie? What else? Baba? So basta madami siya tawag kay Holly. So yun, 12:30 na. Naglagay akong wugas. Wugs. Oh, yan tawag ni Jan sa kanya. Basta maraming tawag si Jan sa kanya. Naglagay na akong bagong lashes, guys. Nung kahapon ba yun? Basta naglagay akong bago. Nasa Facebook ko yun or TikTok. Kailan ko ito linagay. Ayan. And mas matibay na yung aking nilagay na pandikit. Ipakita ko sa inyo. I-haul ko na lang kasi dumating na siya. So i-haul ko yun mamaya pagdating namin. And naninibago pa ako dito sa ating bagong camera. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Minsan nakakatingin ako sa screen. Pasensya kung nakatingin ako sa screen. Kasi nakakalimutan ko tumingin doon. Kasi yung screen nito ay nasa baba. Yung dati, yung Canon nasa taas. So, yun. Yan lang. Say hi, Kuya. Baba, hold Mami San. So, punta kami sa news agency. Doon namin pipick upin yung books or baka sabihan kami balik ang 30 minutes kasi ganun ang ginagawa nila. Pag punta mo, meron pa silang parang i-ready pa nila. Dito na tayo.
We know that year 8. Okay.
Balik kami an hour. Kasi i-ready pa nila. Diba? 1 hour. So, punta namin yung bagong school ni Holly. Malayo pala. medyo malayo compared dun sa ano ni Holly. Dito pa rin sa Mount, pero malayo kung saan dati si Holly. Where? Which one? This one?
That one.
The old complex?
That's where the old swimming pool used to be, the YMCA.
So this one, so where I'm gonna...
Here.
Yeah, where I'm
Walk
gonna
in
park.
there. Walk
Yeah,
in the
where
front
I'm
door.
gonna park.
Well,
Yes, mas malaki to.
this
Malaki
will be all
tong...
full, so you're probably going to have to go around the corner or go over there
Oh.
somewhere, but that's the
Oh,
building.
here. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
gonna be
this will be full
full.
too.
Yeah. Oh my God,
So
holy.
it's in there.
Yeah, this one. It's
So you go around-
huge.
Yeah, oh.
And it looks old.
Yeah, but inside it's gonna be alright. So it's not. Oh, what's this? Saint Martin.
Having a fun day out.
So,
Holidays.
mas malaki yon compare kung saan si Holly before.
Holly.
Oh
Dad,
no!
do you not have
Kaso yun nga lang problema ko dyan, parking.
What?
Doon kasi sa ano, doon sa dating school ni Holly sa dance. Diba, lagi ako nakapark, lagi tayo nakakuha ng park at malapit pa sa Asian store. So ngayon, yun, magiging challenge ang parking ko.
Have you got your fan on, Zach? You got
Sobrang
this on
init.
here?
How many
We've got one,
degrees?
Holly.
25
Not what you
degrees.
do.
Tapos may konting wind, ay yung wind medyo mainit din. Dito na kami sa school. Pa tayo ng uniform. Ay, kami pala. Are you excited for your new
Uniform!
uniform?
Yeah, I think that's good.
Now we go pay for 2 hours.
Why 2 hours?
Because Holly's got to fit it all on. And
Yeah.
oh, Dad!
Sinasabihan si Kuya. Kasi si Kuya maglakad ganon. Sabi ni Jan,
That's what I said.
maglakad kang maayos. Ayusin mo yung shoulders mo. Ganun daw.
Yeah, I didn't check. No, I don't
You might as well just get one then. Get a 12 one, and if you need one later.
Yeah, get the bigger size.
Wear shorts.
It-
Head.
push.
Alright. Good.
What?
Yes.
Hat. You still have your hat, right?
Yeah.
So you don't need
I know.
to wear
I
one.
didn't say that.
Okay.
Okay? Listen. Oh, this.
Ganito na yung uniform ni Holly. Magdi-dress na siya. Yeah.
G'day, how are you?
Thanks, how are
Good.
Try.
Not too long.
Nice to try it on. Too long.
She'll work out.
Yeah.
8.
I think it's just like, can you move backward, Papa?
Are the boys right
I think-
Backward.
Use the right shorts. Yeah. Does Holly, is it
Yeah.
different?
Nice.
She
Sure,
has
Daddy.
shorts or not?
So
Ay. Yan, tapos na. Ang laking damage.
Work.
Ang mahal ng uniform. Mahal. Kay Holly lang yun. Tapos si Kuya nga, si Kuya. Hindi nga kumuha si Kuya ng polo kasi okay pa yun sa kanya. Si Sakang kumuha. Ano ba yan? Si Kuya kumuha.
You know what would be good?
Come on. Come on, lady.
Holly.
Do you want to go? Do you?
Mayroong luka-luka ba? Dali. Holly, hurry up. Oh, kawawa. Ang ganda niya pa naman. Ang ganda niya siguro. Sa yun? Sa hit-hit. Come on.
Can I say that?
What?
Walk in the park?
Ano? Punta kami ng guys. Magle-late lunch kami dito sa Wendy's. Come on here. Shortcut. Si Jan, ang order niya hotdog with cheese and tomato sauce with thick milkshake, Sak. Saki, thick one for Daddy. I think just banana milkshake. How about you, Baba?
A hot dog
with tomato sauce and
Do you want boost? Okay. Ayaw niya.
let's go.
Oh my God, ang daming tao.
Can I have the bubble gum?
Bubblegum what?
Gum?
Okay. Order na ako ng hotdog sa Wendy's. Ito naman, dito kami sa Asian.
I want to take the crispy chicken.
Mag-sushi siya. Where? Where is it? Okay, come on. How many? 3. Ayan sa kanya, crispy chicken.
Zach,
Kuya, you don't want?
what is that? It tastes like the Grimace shake. The purple.
Ayan yung kanyang drink. Bubble gum?
Yum.
Yum. My nerds. Ayan siya. Si Kuya ayaw niyang kumain. Si John, ayan yung kanya milkshake. Dito kayo sa kabila ni Sa. Meron siyang 3 sushi. Nagpakuha siya nito kasi $2 lang yung prawns cracker.
That's like the Grimace shake.
Huh?
That's like the Grimace shake.
Is it good? Okay, kain muna kami guys. Ito akin. Ready nang pick upin yung book ni Kuya. Dexter. Drinks did you get?
No, thanks very much.
Blue Lake lemonade.
Blue lemonade.
Blue Lake.
Blue Lake. Oh. Thank you.
And Peter's got cave cola.
Cave cola. Cave. Yeah, like a cave.
Lemonade.
Can I try? Let me try.
Oh, God. That's enough. You got your own. Good? Yeah, I just saw what you did.
Try natin to.
Backwashed. Ew, Holly.
Oh, actually it's not bad.
Yeah, no.
It's nice.
I know.
Can I try? Can I try?
You tried
I've never
it
tried it before.
You have stuff. Yeah.
Masarap siya. Not that sweet. It's nice. Refreshing.
That's
I think lemonade na
I
lemonade.
think
Coke's the best, Dad. No. The cola. No or...
Mag-post ako saglit kasi meron kukunin. Ah, ayun, open na. Last time kasi sarado to eh. Thank you. Dito pala kami guys sa KFC. 4:58 na. Ang dami nang naganap sa amin. 4:58 na. So, mag-take away na lang kami ng dinner. Pick upin na lang namin. Kasi na-order na kanina.
I'll send you.
Thank you. What's this one? This is the kids.
The nuggets and all that in the
bag.
Yep.
Thank you. That's mine. Raspberry holly.
Straws. Yep. Beautiful.
Yep, cool. That's everything.
There's barbecue sauces in
There
there.
certainly is. Yep.
Thank you.
No worries. Thank you.
Thank you.
Holly,
Thank you.
welcome.
There you go, Jack.
Sa akin, frozen Mountain Dew. Kasing init. Okay, si Jan kumakain na sa parking kasi gutom na siya. Meron pa po dito yung hotdog. So, when hindi ko pa nakakain. Yung sana kain ko sa dinner. Pero nag-order ako yung spicy boneless chicken. So, kain muna kami guys. Hindi ko kayo malalagay dyan. Si Holly, chicken tenders. Chicken tenders sa kanilang lahat. Tapos na si Jan kumain. Ito pala yung akin chicken tender spicy. Kaso yung in-order namin ng coleslaw, wala. So, buti na lang dito kayo kumain sa dito lang sa may parking, sa labas nga lang. So, balik kami doon kasi bayad yun. Yun pa naman ang nilulook forward ko. Mayroong spoon pero walang coleslaw. Balik tayo dito. Seatbelt yan ni Jan. Okay, so pick upin naman yung coleslaw dito. Buti na lang, wala masyadong tao.
Hi, mate.
There you go.
It's not ready.
Sorry, there you go.
Thank you.
Thanks, mate.
Ayan. Partner yan dito. Okay, kaya na ako, guys. Yeah. Bahay na kami. Kunin lang ni Sak yung yung nabili naming uniform. And pagkadating ko dito, tinanggal ko na yung uniform ni Holly sa doon sa live selling ko kasi hindi niya na to gagamitin, guys. So 1 year niya lang to nagamit, and ito yung pang winter. So hindi na to kasi iba na yung uniform niya. Ito yung pang winter niya. Tapos ito yung chalek, anong tawag dito? Yung walang sleeve. Ito yung pang winter niyang may sleeve. Ano lang talaga, guys. Bihira niya lang to magamit kasi during winter lang to ginamit ni Holly. Tapos ito yung pang everyday. 3 times a week. Kasi may PE uniform siya. So hindi na yan kailangan. Thank you. And ito, hindi na to kailangan. Okay.
Where's home stuff for Morel?
This one.
All that.
Yes, all this. So ito, ibibigay ito ni Jan dun sa yung nagtatrabaho dun sa factory kung saan binibenta ni Jan yung lobster. Kasi yung anak niya, year 2 next year, lilipat ng school kung saan yung mga bata. So, tumawag siya kanina kasi ang mahal ng uniform, guys. Sobrang mahal ng uniform. So, tumawag siya kay Jan. Tinanong kung yung uniform ni Holly kailangan. Kung hindi na, siya na lang daw ang bibili. Pero sabi ni Jan, hindi ko alam kung ibibenta yung feeling ko. Ibibigay lang to ni Jan dun kay dun sa dun nga sa nag-work dun sa factory. Here, Han. This is for your friend. Sabi ko, friend niya. Mabait naman yun mabait yun.
That's for the name.
Yeah, papangalanan ko. So, this one. Okay. Do you need a paper bag?
No, it's that, mate. We'll put them in this one. Take those out there.
And then give this bill to Tora. This is the cost.
Can I have my iPad?
Not yet. Kay Holly lang to ha. Ang dami-daming uniform. And eto na yung bagong uniform. So si Kuya, did Kuya get the polo, Han? New polo or just one?
3 12s.
Okay.
KJ gets 1, that gets 2.
Okay. Si Kuya, isa lang.
Have to put his like to sack how
Yeah, okay. Papangalanan ko siya. Bumili siya ng texter. So, kay Kuya, kumuha lang siyang isa. Kasi,
Cut TJ's off because he said no. He cuts that bit.
So, I will put it here.
Yep.
Yeah. So, si Kuya, yung kanyang uniform okay pa. So, kumuha lang kami ng isa. Si Sak talaga, kailangan niyang magbago. Kaya, kinuhaan namin siya ng 2. So, size 12 na rin si Sak. Pareho sila ni Kuya. Kasi yung 14, para kay Kuya, malaki pa. So, ayan. 2 kay Sak. Then, kumuha si Kuya ng pang PE. Dahil yung PE niya, butas na dito. Alam niyo naman ang boys. So, kumuha si Kuya. So, Kuya got 2 or this is yours?
That's mine. I want to see if that fits.
Okay.
I don't know if it will though, but...
Yeah, perfect. So, ayan sa kanya. Then, kay Holly,
Should be right.
dress ng aking baby girl. So, kinuhaan ko siya ng 2.
I got 2.
Sana tumagal to kay Holly. And then, pag maiksi na, ayan, yung parang ginagawa natin nung high school tayo, nung tinatastas lang yan, tas tahiin. Kasi, tingnan nyo, ang kapal pa, oh. So, pag tumangkad siya, pero feeling ko, hindi naman siya agad tatangkad.
It fits me perfectly.
And hindi
It
naman
goes
siya.
up to like there.
I think here.
No, here.
Okay. So, ayan kay Holly.
Yeah. We got dalawa.
2 yung
Are they
kanya.
both size 4?
Yeah. Size 4 siya, guys. Ano na siya, 8, pero size
I don't
4.
feel like it's bigger than the other one.
And then, this is Holly.
Yes, and
Ayan. And this is Holly. So, halos kay Holly. Yung boys, yun lang naman. So, ngayon, lalagyan natin, where's the texter? Lagyan namin tong pangalan kasi
just like you.
baka, minsan kasi inubad nila yung mga jacket. Kung saan minsan nakakalimutan saan ilagay. So, ilagay natin Holly. Holly H. TJ. So, tapos, yung PA, hindi kami bumili. Kasi yung PA ni Holly, yun lang yung na-keep namin. Yung pang PA ni Holly. Tapos, during winter, kailangan ni Holly ng navy blue na tights. Para sa dress niya. Ito, kay Kuya. TJ Howard. TJ. And yung books ni Kuya. Sak, when we're gonna get your books? Thursday? Ito yung mga books ni Kuya. So, may binigay naman na instruction kung alin dito yung lalagyan na namin ng plastic. Kasi dalawa lang yung binigay na plastic. Tapos, ito. Ayan. Color pencils. 12 pieces. Then, pens. Blue. So, sila nagdi-decide, guys, kung anong color ng ball pen. Kasi ako, black ako kung papipiliin ako. Sa kanila, blue and red. So, mayroon dalawa si Kuya. Oh my God, dati si Mama ang gumagawa nito. Kasi kami papasok ng school ngayon. Diba? Ako nang gumagawa. May estudyante na talaga. Ngayon lang na-realize na may estudyante. Gunting. Bakit binigyan ulit sila ng ano? Well, binayaran to doon ni Jan. Meron pa silang gunting. Sana hindi na. Why you got a new scissor, Kuya? Yeah. Mapuno naman tayo dito ng gunting. And, eto, pencils. So, ayan. Meron pa dyan. Ay, nako. Ayan. Sila kasi guys, yung school, mag-i-email sa amin, sasabihin, ito yung mga gagamitin, sila na naglilista, tapos kami ang pupunta doon para bayaran. So, for sure, hindi naman to naubos ni Kuya last year. Sabihin natin nakalahati ni Kuya. So, pwede pa naman, di ba, kung sa atin. Pero, ayan, bago na naman. Glue sticks. Ilan to? Tatlo. Si Holly nga, marami pang glue sticks eh. Ayan. Tatlo. Highlighter. Ruler. Apat pala. Apat na red. Bakit mas marami ang red pen kaysa blue? And meron silang etong yung kung sa atin pilot ba ang tawag dito. Ayan. Yung magandang pen. So, meron siyang dalawa nito. My God, second year high school na si Kuya. So, may dalawa siya nito. Itong art line. Number 4. Find number 4 yung number niya. Kuya, where's your pencil case? What do you mean you don't know? And sharpener. Where is your... No, I didn't see it when I clean it. And then this is the eraser. Eraser. Another, highlighter ba to? Yes, blue. So, meron siyang neon and blue. And the last is, eto, binder. Yung paglalagyan nila ng cotton band or mga activities nila. There's more pens. A ball pen. Ayan, tatlong blue. Huh?
Someone touched it.
Tatlong blue. Look at that.
It was in my room.
Blue and then red. No, it wasn't there because if I see it in
because I pulled everything out.
No, it wasn't there because
Zach would have chucked it out.
I cleaned your room.
He would have.
So, yan yung kay Kuya. So, next time, because we need to put your...
Yeah, well, it was in my room.
Well, it wasn't because I cleaned your room. Itong mga batang to. So, ito sa akin to. So, ayusin ko lang to. Then, ihang ko yung mga uniform niya. Ha? See?
If someone put it somewhere. Clean it out.
Okay. So,
Hang on, let me have a look. Keep calculator and lead pencils and scissors and that magnet and everything.
See, you still
And
see?
keep that.
You know what? I keep this one first. Use this one.
No, I don't like them.
Well, they're all the same, Kuya.
Oh, yeah, okay then.
So, I keep the new one. This is your ID. Ang gwapo.
I'm keeping this and the thing.
Tingnan yung ID ni Kuya.
I don't want the glue stick. I want the calculator. Calculator and everything. And the rest can go over here. And then the cat's line and that.
Okay. See, ayan yung... Kuya, you don't have to open your scissor, okay?
Yeah.
No, you got new one. You still have one here, yeah. So, hindi ko muna bubuksan yung mga eto. Kasi meron naman siya. Ayan. And eto, hindi muna. Kasi meron pa siya. Sabi ko sa inyo. Ang dami niya pa, oh. Then, ayan, another texture. So, blue ba to? Wala, bakit pareho? So, kailangan niya sigurong blue. So, mayroon siyang dalawang neon. So, siguro, ibigay ko yung blue kasi, ayan, wala akong nakitang blue. Kuya, can you get me plastic, please? Ito yung calculator ni Kuya, yung cashew. Hi, I need a plastic. Never mind. Ayan, sabi ko sa inyo, may glue pa siya eh. Ayan. Wala. Pero bigyan ko siyang isa. So, hindi niya naman kailangan lahat. So, bigyan ko siyang isa.
Plastic bag.
Yeah, and then eto, andito pa yung...
Small or big?
No, I have here now.
Okay.
So, meron pa, sabi ko sa inyo eh. So, yung mga bago, ko munang ibigay para ano. Pero eto siguro, ayan sabi ko sa inyo, eto yung kanyang mga pencils. Siguro, i-sharpen ko lang to. Diba yan, oh? Hindi pa nga kalahati ng gamitin. Kasi itong daddy in his box, sabi, no, just put everything. Han, I'm not gonna open the scissor because they still have like good one. So, just
Where's all this stuff?
this is all the new one. And then I said, you still have this one. So, if you run out, you just come with...
Yeah, I'll just make sure you put it all in a bag and
Yes,
put
I
it, write
am.
the name on it and put it
Yeah, papangalanan pa pala to.
in
So, you
there.
got orange.
Did they didn't give
Yeah,
me a new
no.
calculator,
This
did
is the old one. He's still gonna use
Don't
that
mix
one.
everything up.
No, I'm not.
How come you not?
So, he still have the ruler. So, so you don't need another one.
Yeah, but don't mix all the pens up.
No, I'm not.
I love
That's...
one of them, right? I bet you just go missing from up here.
So, ayan. So, siguro yung pencil, ilagay ko dito. So, dito yung mga luma niya muna. In fairness, ito yung lapis. So, syempre, bago na dapat ang ilagay natin. And yung kanyang eraser, kailangan ng palitan. Check na natin yan. And eto, wow, may pa-heart si Kuya. Oh, ilagay natin yan. Ayan, napudpud na talaga. Pero, ilagay natin tong isa dito. So, yan. In fairness na gamit din pala ni Kuya yung mga ano niya. Okay, so kailangan niya ng... Ito, ilagay ko ulit tong ruler. Ito, I need a rubber. Gawin ko yung ginawa ko kay Sak. So, siguro isa lang nito. Babe, I don't have to put all the pens here, right? Kasi baka mawala niya. I'm just gonna put one of each.
Couple of each, because if one breaks, she's got another one spare.
Okay, 2 of each then. 2 of each. Okay. That one and this one.
Oh. And Zachary? Yeah, all this is Zachary.
Okay, okay pa to. So, ito yung bago. Isang bago, isang luma. Okay. Kasi ito yung luma. Okay pa naman. Ayan.
So, TJ. Where's your nail, Zach?
Si Kuya, tsaka si Jan, sa caravan sila, si Sak dito. Ito, tanggalin ko na to dito. Kuya, I'm gonna remove this from the box now. This one. Gusto kong ilagay ito sa ano sa... Can you get me the rubber, please? What are you doing? Can you get me this one, please?
Oh, I'm going.
You're going now?
Yeah, you trying to do another?
No, I'm gonna work. So, ayan. Nilagyan ko ng rubber para easy lang kay kuya. Then, isang bagong glue. And then, ito.
Getting pots done tomorrow, first thing in the morning.
Texture.
Are we going there?
So, ilan ba yung ano? Ano ba yung bago ni kuya? Nakahanda. Ito, neon. Ah, hindi to bago.
Can you answer that when we go back?
So, siguro tanggalin ko na to kasi wala naman silang orange. Para sa akin na yan. So, ito na lang neon tsaka blue. Kasi ito yung order ng school. And yung ID ni kuya. Calculator. Ito kailangan to ni kuya. Meron siya nito, pero ilagay pa rin natin. And couple of pencils, ha? Just couple, no? Hindi lahat. Siguro dalawa lang. So, Han, I have to remove all the old one, Han, from this. I have to remove all the old one.
If they work.
It still works, so, but do you have to remove it or just keep it here?
Good luck.
This one.
Ask TJ, he's the one.
Kuya, all the old ones I have to remove.
You can chuck it.
Why? There's nothing wrong with them.
That's right. So I
If
keep
they
this
still
one. No,
work.
I keep this one because they have the. See you. I'll see you. Okay. Cool.
Chris! Hang on, Dad.
Okay. Okay. So I just put one glue, kuya, because you still have this one, babe. And yung scissor niya, eto. Kuya, I'm just gonna. You just need one, right?
Yeah, you can have the old one, so I have the new one.
No, it still works. Ay, bigay ko na lang siya ng isang bago.
Hang on.
Sige na, akin na lang.
I'm gonna have to have one to bring PlayStation. Wait, Dad!
Okay. So, itong ibang bago dito muna yan sa bahay. Hindi niya yung kailangan lahat. Eraser. Okay. Ilang minutes na to, guys? 21 minutes na. Oh my God. Binalot ko na yung isang book. Yung graph book to. So, hindi ko alam kung dito siya ilalagay. Bala na si kuya. Pagdating niya sa school. Kasi dalawa lang yung plastic. So, pwede niya naman i-change kung saang pambalot to. Kasi yung graph, dalawa. And the rest is iba-iba na. Ayan. So, may eto tigta tatlo. So, eto sigurong dalawa ang may pangbalot lang. Yung, nabanggit ko ba sa inyo, yung sa dalawa, hindi pa namin kinukuha yung kanilang book. Kasi wala pa naman na email sa amin kung kailan namin pipick upin. Kasi, ini-email kami kung when pwedeng pick upin yung mga books nila. And si kuya, nung last year nilaban niya yung kanyang bag. Nung nilinis niya yung gamit niya, yung tinanggal niya yung mga gamit, nilaban niya na rin yung kanyang bag. Kaya good to go na to. Yung kaysa okay lang naman kahit hindi laban. Si kuya kasi, nilaban niya. Kasi meron siyang pagkain na hindi niya nailabas dito. Sak, this is yours. Are you sure? Kasi yung bag nila pare-pareho, magkakamukha talaga. Walang labis, walang kulang, kahit kay Holly. Tapos yung laptop ni kuya, gumagana pa naman. So, hindi niya kailangan ng bagong laptop. Ipapasa niya pa yung laptop kay Sak. Kasi si kuya ata magbabago next year. Tapos, pag okay pa yung laptop ni Sak, ay ni kuya, pwede yung kay Sak. Okay, yung pencil case. Ito, lagay ko na rin dito. Then, yung hat niya, dito rin. Okay. Nilagay ko yung bagong ruler. So, okay na to si kuya. Ready na to si kuya next week. Okay, Sak, oh. Put this one in your bedroom. Kuya's bedroom. Alright. Nasampay ko na, nahangin ko na yung kanilang mga gamit. Linisin ko na lang ito dito. So, ipakita ko pala sa inyo yung nabili ko sa Amazon. Yung pandikit sa aking cluster lashes. Yung brand niya is, ito, napuksan ko na to kasi ginamit ko siya. Ito yung Lash Band. Ayan. Meron siyang kasamang 5 Q-tips. And meron siyang brush. Ang cute ng lalagyan niya, guys. Oh, metal siya. Pero magaan lang. Ayan, brush. And yung pandikit nandito. Yung para siya, guys, na ano. Magkabilaan to. Kasi yung isa, waterproof na pandikit. Para siyang mascara. Ayan. Para siyang mascara. Then, yung kabila naman is pangtanggal sa, pang-seal. Pantanggal sa, ano, dikit. Ayan. So, yan yung isa. Dalawa yung binili ko. Ito yung isa na hindi pa bukas. And meron din akong binili na cluster lash remover. Kasi sobrang dikit niya. So, kailangan natin na pang-remove. So, Fad Lash naman yung brand. From Amazon to din ha. Lahat to Amazon. Isang box na to Amazon. And meron akong binili yung, eto maliit siya. So, etong isa, band. So, meron siyang pandikit and meron din siyang pang-seal. So, eto pang-remove. So, dalawa yung pang-remove na binili ko from Fad Lash. And etong isa, iba naman to, band and seal. Ayan siya. Iba naman siyang brand. Ganyan. Anong brand ba to? Pro Lash Beauty. Yan ba yung brand niya? Basta ayan guys. Picturean nyo na lang. Sa Amazon din yan. So, yan yung laman ng Amazon box. So, yun na yung vlog natin for today. And, ano pa ba yung ginawa ko? Wala na. Nilinis ko yung, yung table, yung kalat ko kanina. But, yeah, yun yung vlog natin for today, guys. So, thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Ang oras is 8:00 na, guys. Ang bilis ng oras, pero maliwanag pa sa labas. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda pa sa labas. Maliwanag pa. 8:20. 8:20 na. Ayan, good night, guys.
Because I think I do want you next to me.